Good evening, Professor Levy Grant, Sofia Grzegorzewska. January 25th, 2020, third week of checking in with Professor. I have to say we're definitely making progress. This week was hunt for resources and looking for our information week. Can't wait to share with everyone TerraSuit method. This method was found, it's been a while since it's actually foundation, but not many knows about it. And actually me and my son that participated, well, my son that participated in this therapy. And I would want to share this information with everyone else. Very busy week, and I'm barely alive right now, but I keep going. So that is throughout the research this week. I find out so much information, especially what is very interesting is the financial services. Companies are helping special needs parents with financial assessments, which is very important. And I didn't even know those services are available, and that's the one major thing that was very surprising this week. And we keep searching, and we'll gather all information that I need very soon. Well, thank you very much, Professor. Very shortly today, but there is a couple things. One thing that is the financial thing, good and unexpected information. The other one is the TerraSuit therapy that my son attended. I would love to share with everyone else this information. The autism company, that should be something that I think I would like to find out more about. And well, I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much, Professor. Have a good night, and I see you next week. Thank you.